Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to split screen on Windows 11. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. In today's fast process digital world, multitasking has become an essential skill. Whether you are a student juggling research and writing, a professional comparing data across multiple documents, or simply someone who likes to keep an eye on social media while working, the ability to view multiple windows simultaneously can significantly enhance your productivity. So this is where the split screen feature in Windows comes in handy. So how to do it? If you want to use split screen on your Windows 11 is very simple. So first of all, I will show you. For example, I want to open Word. Let's say you want to open Word with other window like Chrome. To do it, you can just hover your cursor to this to minimize. Like this. You can minimize or just make it full screen. After that, you can hover like this and you can choose which one you want to split your screen to, like 2 or 3 or 4. For example, I want to 2 like this. And for the other one, you can select on the other window that you want to open like this. So now you have split screen your uh, screen. It's very simple, right? And if you want to close it, you can just close it. And if you want to split to 4, you can just select like this. For this one is Spotify maybe. And sorry, you can split into 4 or 3. It's very simple, right? So that is how to split screen in Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!